Hello friends, today this topic is baseband 5212 and 5216 baseband. This topic is prerequisites and dependencies. Prerequisites is a configuration and preparation are made in the operation supports system for radio and core OSS RC and transport network before deploying the node in a TN before transport network. Review all documents or references prior to performing this NDD. Dependency is a sufficient cable stack is available for connection to the baseband 5212 and 5216. In this hardware, some of the ports have moved. It is recommended that at least 10 cm stack is available for cable reuse. Transmission network from the site to the core network must be up and running. Equipment identification. Equipment identification is a below a picture of the DUS, DUL and baseband 5212 and 5216 units. Some of the ports have been relocated on the newer unit. Sufficient slack in existing cable is required for or new cable must be run. The port affected the most is the GPS port renamed Sync. GPS port renamed Sync. It has been relocated from the far right to the far left. TNB and TNC have also been physically moved to the left. In a DUS, figure 2 is a DUS 4101 baseband, and figure 3 is a baseband 5212 and 5216. Figure 2 is a right to left. Right is a minus 48 volt power supply. GPS port and 5216 is a GPS port is a sync port. EC port, LMT port. LMT port is a login port. TNA port is a media port. TNB and TNC is a electrical SFP media port. COM port, IDL, and A, B, C, D, E, F is a SPRI to SFP port. And SFP connect to SPRI and SPRI connect to RRU. And 5216 is a right to left. Right is a minus 48 volt EC port. LMT port is a login port. TNA port is a media port. And A, B, C, D, E, F is a SFP port is a SPRI port. And TNB and TNC is a electrical SFP port, media electrical SFP port. Sync left is a sync port is a GPS port. 5216 is a left to is a sync port. Entrance criteria. Customer has confirmed that sufficient slack is available on the existing cable to accommodate the location of the ports on the baseband 5212 and 5216 unit. If sufficient slack is not available, new cable should be installed prior to beginning to provide for minimal downtime. All escape routes and license are available on the on-site technician laptop. Baseband 5212 and 5216 hardware is available. Customer has complete backup of the DUS dual configuration in case a fallback is necessary. All full configuration files are available for integration to the OSS. Detailed activity sequence. The activity contained in the document are represented in the following flowchart. Flowchart is a first step is a obtain configuration files and software. Make backup at OSS RC. This is a two-step is a prior to arriving at site. And second chart is a label cables. Remove existing hardware. यदि हमको कोई 5 10 to 5212 and 5216 install to remove existing hardware, add new hardware. 5216 630 add new hardware. This is the on-site activities होती हैं. Connected to the baseband unit, connected baseband unit and SFTP configuration files to unit. Integrate unit to the point of remote access. साइट इंटीग्रेट होने पर रिमोट एक्सेस मिलेगा. और इन्फॉर्म ऑपरेशन सेंटर दैट द साइट इज रेडी फॉर इंटीग्रेशन इनटू OSS/RC. यानी हमारा ऑल ऑपरेशन सेंटर हमारा साइट रेडी है तो इंटीग्रेशन हमारा रेडी है तो OSS/RC. जी सेकंड फ्लो चार्ट इज ऑन साइट एक्टिविटीज.